Hi everyone, I'm Lisha. I go to the L6 campus and I'm currently studying my A-levels, Business Studies and English Literature. I'm also your student vice president and a student governor. I want to quickly tell you a bit about the college. So, with college we have loads of student services. You can contact them by email or physically go there. We have the library full of computers, and I mean a lot of computers, that you can even borrow. We have printers, obviously. We have a shop, which I've used many times because it's very cheap. I recommend you shop there. Canteens, Costa coffees, we've got everything. Also, I want to mention about the support we get for the future. So whether you want to do an apprenticeship, go to a job or go to uni, you get support either way. I personally want to go to university, so the college has helped me by sorting out my personal statement, making my CV, organising it all, and teach us how to get on UCAS and do everything. So there's one thing the college does is it prepares you. And they make it fun. It's not hard, it's not scary, and I promise you'll enjoy it, because I have.